Like, there are mirrors in this whole place. There are mirrors everywhere. I mean, I'm such a fan of mirror selfies and everything. Merry Christmas, loves.
To make me smile, I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please. Have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are
So guys, I met like two of my friends here. One is my childhood friend. Like, I met her here. Then I met Shwata. You guys know Shwata, right? Yeah, I met her here. I'm so happy. Like
I just spent like 10K getting it. Just kind of. I just want it.
Yeah gang, your YouTube. You guys, we need to look for a name for. I need to look for a name for you guys. Like, you know how they have AB gang, this thing, whatever. You know what I mean? If you don't get it, forget about it.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
But you know what I'm trying to say, right? Like, I want to look for a name for you guys. Already 500 going up, so I think we should have a name. Instead of saying, hey guys, hey babies, hey boo, like, what the fuck? See, I'm wearing my church polo. Sorry, I'm looking somehow. Like, we follow the church on site, so hey, that's on site. We follow the church online, like on YouTube. We follow directly from the headquarters. Like our church, the headquarters is in Nigeria. We are going to like the headquarters in Togo. But like since today is the first Sunday, like we're just like let's just follow straight, like live from Nigeria. You get so we follow the church service online today. So I did not go to church. I just bought the hold on, just for wearing sake. My father bought it for me. I go to Winners Chapel. In case you don't know, like I'm even inviting people to my church. I'm a winner baby. I was born into Winners Chapel family. Like I'm a winner baby. If you're also a winner, comment down. You're more than conquerors. Period. We are invited to come and take lunch. My father's very, very close friend. Yeah, his house. So we are going there to eat lunch today. Today is Sunday.
Young lady, wear your shoe. Do your fingernails well. Carry your hair nicely. Spot your lipstick. Make your makeup well. Walk like a lady. Put on your catwalk.
I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details start to sink in. No, I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part.
After we left my daddy's friends, we just came to visit my cousin. Cousin, do you have a cousin? Do you have a pretty cousin? Like, Asa, do you have a pretty cousin?
My name is Salman.
Like me?
Il s'appelle. Oh. Il t'a lancé un bout de papier.
So,
Not our little siblings wanting to join us by force.
Alright, let me show you how to do this dance. Jump, then you gonna bend. Hey, jump, then you gonna bend.
I just want money that's calm. Teenage never worry about me. I ain't never been with a body. She calls so I didn't tell me. I just want to money. I got my tricks in me. What's the right that I left for daddy? Like, they don't look too shabby.
hey, avec la robe.
Avec la robe. Tout ça. Period.